Guys, what's going on? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download Carbridge onto your phone. So if you don't know what this is, it lets you watch any app in your car. Okay, so I'm talking literally any app. Minecraft, Fortnite, whatever you want will run on that car screen if you have Carbridge. But if you don't, you're just going to be using the Apple CarPlay, which is pretty limiting. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. So basically, as you can see, I do have Carbridge right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So what you need to do is go to Zoom Mods, type in Carbridge. This is the website, by the way, that has like modded apps. So as you can see, it says Carbridge, so you just press on it and it will download. So be sure to try it out for yourself and get the word out, because there's a lot of people that don't know that you can like use these mods and stuff like that. They think that like you need a jailbreak, but I'm here to inform you guys that you don't have to jailbreak or anything like that if you don't want. This is a fully working method. So as you can see, it comes up. So there you go. So just download it and you're going to be all set. Now if you go to the App Store, you can see that there is no Carbridge on here. So let me just type it in for you guys. So I'm just going to type in Carbridge, and as you can see, guys, no Carbridge on here. So if you do want to use it, guys, you need to try my method. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. This is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, if this video works to you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it is fully working. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's super cool, you can see right there. So yeah, I mean, I didn't have to jailbreak or nothing like that, so I'm pretty happy with this. And as you can see, I have it, and I have some older ones as well. So be sure to try it out for yourself, guys. This is a fully working video. So you just gotta go to Zoom Mods basically, and then once you're there, guys, just type in Carbridge. It should come right up. So be sure to try it out. This is super awesome, and it like updated and everything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe. This is super cool, and it's updated and everything like that. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, and yeah, peace out.